Hello, my name is Emilia Gutierrez Perdomo, a student Liley at University of Nan. I am training as an English teacher, and today I will be answering the question that arises about what happened on September 11, 2001 in the United States and how Americans feel it. Given use when we answer, we will guide us through a documentary video that help you understand better on so we answer. I hope to get my opinion right in the best way. Okay. First the question: have Americans gotten over the events of September 11th? They have not overcome it because many things have changed. There were people who left. These were others who found of the funny the event was great and terrifying for many even life that's they people who are now adults or older and who live that's the tragedy that's totality changes his lifestyle and way of thinking. Second question: are American still concerned about terrorist threat? Yes, because to there have been no terrorist at lies full of the twin towers are internal or the small wars. The Americans are worried and preparing to fight something similar or worse in the best way. However, they are trying to change everything with pace. Third question: how have the lives of Muslims and Americans changed after the event of 9/12? Many remain system because to large extent the Native American considered as it was a terrorist act and part of Arab and Muslims, and for this reason they keep their distance. However, in recent years, the United States is considered a country of migration, a country of dreams, where there are all kinds of the nationality. From the new to the old, many seeks to grow the East in the USA. Muslims and Arabs are no exception. And for all, there is free will or respect for conviction and rules and belief, and it is sometimes on the country and working very well maintaining order. Even Muslim themselves try to live well and comply with what the state demands without leaving their cultures. Therefore, both Muslim and Americans are changing the course of lives for the better. For question: what is the US government doing to reduce feelings of threat in the community? They increase security against any other attack, be it land, air, or sea wave. USA is well located, surrounded by ocean, and that seems to keep you safe. The country is committed so to the well-being of its citizens. 5 seconds question. What is the opinion of some politicians about the war after 9/11? Most taken that it was the war of Arab and Muslims, and now we have the to be peaceful.